Yeah. Hey everybody, Captain Javi Gonzalez here again. Today I'm gonna show you, I think the same, airplane model that I could show you. I'm gonna show you to taking off and then landing. Yeah. And so stay tuned, alright? Yeah. I got it, yeah. And give me a second, let me go get it. Give me a sec. Yeah. Here. My things was on the floor here. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay, now, so here it is. Yeah, it's my Caribbean Airlines, Boeing 737-800. And single plane model by Daron. Yeah, that's what I show you the last month, and I believe I'm showing you guys again. Yeah, and the whole thing here. Yeah, and so let's take a look at the box here. Yeah, and right here. Oh yeah, let me see, the warmth of the islands. Yeah. Yeah, and right here it says warning, choking hazard, small parts now for children under 3 years. Yeah, let me see right here, ages 3 and up. Yeah, 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 it says right there. Yeah, then there's got the word there, and yeah, worldwide Trading Inc. Yeah, yeah, .r Inc. Yeah, and right there it's got NORT0374. Yeah, this guy, yeah, here, yeah, Dicus metal, plastic parts, and authentic details. Yeah, and hey, I love the birdie right there. Yeah, I like the way it has the birdie right there. Yeah, I look, yeah, 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 he, he looks awesome. Yeah, looking cute. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, all right, so let me turn it the other way. Yeah, the Caribbean Airlines, the warmth of the islands. Yeah, it's got the islands there. Yeah, right there's got the picture of the plane, and right there, yeah, it's got palm trees, and it's got the sun. Yeah, it's got the thing. Yeah, yeah, Trinidad and Tobago Island. Yeah, yeah. All right. Let me now. Yeah, yeah, it's got on top of the crossing the runway there. Yeah. Alright, let me see. Right here, there's got the same thing, and then it's got www.darontoys.com. Yeah, that's where you usually buy them, but yeah, and there's warning 0 to 3 and recyclable, yeah, package and recyclable material. And there's got a CE there. Yeah, it's got a number there 190628. Yeah, it's got yeah, and it's got, yeah, they're made in China. Yeah. Yeah, and so, Yeah. Oh yes, no, see the word there, CaribbeanAirlines.com. Yeah, yeah, and so now with that, let me go ahead and unbox it. Yeah. Okay, and so here's the plane. Yeah, it looks really nice. Yeah, yeah, loving this here. Yeah, that's got the name Caribbean Airlines. Doesn't got no registration number there, or not even the flag. I want to see from closer. Oh yeah, it says Trinidad and Tobago. I think the warmth of the islands, it says there. Yeah, looks really nice. Yeah, the stickers are kind of set up right, and yeah, that looks cool. Yeah, it's got cool wings. Yeah, and it's got the same number there that I saw on the box. Is one. Oh, no, I thought it was a 9. It's it's like a 3. It's because yeah, 0628. No. Oh no, that was a 9 right there. I was right. So the number is 190628. Yeah. Yeah, amazing. Yeah, right there's got amazing winglets. I mean the amazing wings. Yeah, and you can see the engines look so beautiful. And it's got there where it says Rio Toy. Yeah, Rio 3 that matched with Daron. Yeah, I thought yeah, and this are the winglets here. This looks amazing. Yeah, it looks cool. And so let's set it down here. Yeah, and see. Let me see what do we got. That we're closer in the box. Yeah. Oh yes, it's Trinidad and Tobago. The wormhole. Let me see what does it got there. I think like a stampede or something. Yeah. Oh, and I see the landing lights there. Yeah, it looks so beautiful. Yeah, and so let's make it taken off. How's that? Yeah. Yeah. All right. Doors closed and ready to push back. Yeah, starting up. Fire 1. Yeah. All right, now release the beast. Yeah. Yeah. And fire 2. Yeah. And just waiting for a signal from air traffic controller. Yeah. 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 And yeah, and so right now, clear to go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry about that. All right, now in the north. Yeah, and now, yeah, yeah. All right, clear for takeoff. All right, now and over here, clear for landing. Parking to its gate. Yeah. Yeah, alright, I love this. Yeah. And I don't know like how much even was I haven't said there. I'm tell you guys, I mean I don't know, yeah, usually I don't know how these airplane models. I don't know how many dollars they cost. Yeah, on the Amazon. Yeah. I also would want to have a Gemini jets, but Daron is much better because it's much cheaper. Yeah. So you could always think of these ones here. Yeah, well, and they look awesome. Yeah. I don't know how many dollars they cost, but they're cool. Yeah. And yeah, I know you usually my younger brother orders them for me on Amazon. Yeah, and I totally like them. Yeah, and I would have thanks to him. Yeah, yeah, they look great. I mean, yeah, he usually orders them with. I mean for me for usually yes, yeah for my birthday. Yeah, and even for Christmas. I got this on my birthday, and I got this airplane model on my birthday on on 2020. Yeah, I was yeah, and then that was the times. I mean, there was not going out anywhere, you know, because of the pandemic. So yeah, but it's okay. I know. It's always cool for me to have these models here. Yeah, cause that one I know I got it for my birthday. I got this for I got this on my 33rd birthday. Yeah, and that's usually awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause you know, and still wanna buy all from other airlines or liveries. Yeah, yeah. You actually got to buy them on the eBay. Oh my God, I wish my brother could have got an eBay a credit an eBay credit card. Yeah, yeah. That looks awesome. Yeah. Hela. Yeah, and I also and I don't know how come Daron hasn't made the new livery now. Caribbean Airlines has the new livery. Yeah, I wish I could have it. Wish Daron says could have it now. New airlines from here. Yeah, could have Avalo, Breeze. Yeah, and even from other countries, I know I could have more airlines. Yeah, yeah, that could look great. And I hoping from Iceland I could have Iceland there from Canada. Could have Sunwing, Air Transit, and Flair. Yeah, and Flair, and now also Lynx. Yeah, but it's super cool model. Yeah, 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 and so And so now let's get in, taking out this way. I'm taking out towards, no, not going this way right now. Yeah. And yeah, now the airport be turned around now. Yeah, all right, now doors closed. Yeah, and yeah, ready to push back. Yeah, starting up. Yeah. Yeah. Fire one. Release the beast. And fire two. Yeah. Sorry, gotta get the Star Wars candy out of the way. Yeah. Yeah. All right now, and clear to go. You're now taxiing to the runway. Yeah. And clear for takeoff. All right now. Yeah, that's okay. All right, now. All right, now. Now toilet for maintenance, and head right this way. Yeah. Yeah. And I love the birdie how it looks right there. Yeah. Yeah. And there he goes. He's going this way. Yeah, right there. Yeah, there he is. All right, now I'm taking him back to the gate. Yeah. Yeah, all right, now turning it from maintenance. This side. Yeah, this way. And now going this way. All right, now there it is. In the maintenance section. All right now, yeah, maintenance done. And back to the gate. Yeah, and right there. Yeah. Alright, and like I said before, this plane doesn't have a registration number here. Yeah, not on both sides. And let me see, yeah. Yeah, but not even on the box. Yeah, but it looks cool. How's got the, yeah, how's got the birdie there. Yeah, love that. Yeah, and that's how it looks when it takes off. And the right side, yeah, over here. Now, let's go, and let me show you when it takes off from the left side. And that's how it looks when it takes off on the left side. Yeah, I know when it takes off. I know on both sides. I know the earth almost looks like it goes crooked there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And so, all right. Let me set it down on the table. Let me show you everywhere. Yeah. All right now, there is the cockpit windows. Yeah, yeah, friends. Yeah, and there is. Yeah, that's the right side. Yeah, the right side. Yeah, and it looks good with the winglets on both sides. Yeah, that's the tail. Yeah, and over here it's the left side. Yeah, yeah, right. Oh, and I love it. And I love it that there. Yeah, it's got CaribbeanAirlines.com. Yeah, on both engines. Yeah. Well, 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 everybody. I guess that's it for now. Yeah, for today. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment down below, and hit the notification bell. Yeah, yeah, and more, and yeah, and stay safe and stay healthy. And most of all, yeah, and most importantly, thanks for watching. Yeah, and I'll maybe see you again tomorrow on another airplane unboxing update, or maybe a plane spotting in the backyard of my house. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right now, see you.